Welcome to Flowbee.io. In this video, we will learn to create a business portfolio for your business. So first, you go to business.facebook.com, like business.facebook.com. Now here you can see this option. Click on it and click here on create a business portfolio. Enter the name. Enter your name and enter the email. Then click on create. You can add any Facebook page related to this portfolio. If you don't want, you can just click on skip. Then click on confirm. Done. This is how you can create a portfolio for your business.